Unong aiktian ke Sorkar ubade ru menteri bapet ya katanat ka kwat ka khya abai wailat miki Shillong hene ka sngi habakran bat kinong thok Khubor Halor ka Mawiong CHC. Ulong ba katanat ka kwat ka khya jong ka Khhuborjylla kala yo ya ka kai pot bin pa bin Halor ka jingja ya MP ke Lok Sabha u Dr. Syngkon. Uba wailat miki Shillong ulay thu ba katanat ka kwat ka khya ka kwa ban Pynshai Halor ka jingya lenti hakatu ka janmit. Hakabana kaliang ka NEHU is khasinews kala pentep bahaka por henreu san polai janmien ka 108 emergency kala yo pediang ya ka phone call Halor ka jingja bat ya ka kali kinong pangru la pha shu ule thu ba haka por hinyau khat san janmit kilawan ra eu Dr. Syngkon shaki emergency jong ka Mawiong CHC harengkat bat kinong wan senran bat kile thu ba ula kelon haba ya lekai. Hakapor bagi wan ra eu Dr. u klem tip breu ka BP ka klem trekam ka jingtiet uklong snam ka klem penpau. Yau Dr. lawan ban pet de inos ibadan haka duty pat la pentip ru sha u doktor. Hakabala le ru ya ka CPR wat la kilale ya kani unong pang u klem penidak AA. Shu menteri ulaya thu ba nakadaw jong jing bam penidak AA la pentip shaki breu ki ba wan ra eu Dr. ban ra no shaki jaka sumar ki ba kham hakli. Hakaba hakapor nyau arpo la penbed ban penkenria bat la ra ru da ka jing ai ya ka oksigen na CHC Mawiong ka kali ki nong pang ka poi hakapor nyau sau po janmiet bat la IT shaki nong pet ban ai ya ka jing sumar.
All of you here regarding the sequence of events which happened at the Mawiong CHC. So the Meghalaya department, the health department, government of Meghalaya placed the following factual account on record regarding the medical attention provided to Honorable Member of Parliament Dr. Syngkon at Mawiong Community Health Center CHC on the evening of 19 February 2026 based on the inspection and inquiry conducted by the District Medical and Health Officer DMHO East Khasi Hills. So these are the sequence of events as mentioned below. So firstly, that on 6:53 p.m. 108 emergency call center received a call about the event, and ambulance was dispatched immediately to Mawiong Rim playground from Laumali. At approximately 7:15 p.m., Honorable MP Dr. Syngkon was brought to the emergency room of Mawiong CHC by accompanying person following a reported collapse while playing football at a nearby ground. On arrival, the patient was unconscious and unresponsive. Initial assessment revealed blood pressure not recordable, pulse not palpable. The patient was immediately attended by the staff nurse on emergency duty, and the medical officer on call was intimated. Oxygen support was initiated promptly. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which is called CPR, was administered. Despite this resuscitation efforts, the patient did not respond. In view of the critical condition and non-response to initial resuscitation, the patient party was informed of the need for immediate referral to a higher facility. Referral and transport. At approximately 7:20 p.m., arrangements were made for transfer. The patient was shifted with oxygen support by the Mawiong CHC ambulance. The ambulance reached H. Robert Gordon Hospital at approximately 7:40 p.m., where the patient was handed over to the emergency team for further management. As per the medical report of Robert Hospital on arrival, the patient vitals were not recordable and pupils were also bilaterally fixed and dilated. So, out of this, the finding of the inquiry. The inquiry confirmed that emergency assessment and basic life support measures were initiated promptly upon the patient arrival at Mawiong CHC. The staff present acted within the scope and capacity of a community health center, including immediate examination, oxygen administration, initiation of CPR, and timely referral to a higher facility. There is no finding of refusal of care or delay in referral at Mawiong CHC. So, through this, the health department reiterate its deep condolence to the bereaved family and the people of Meghalaya. Uh, and also, we realize that sudden medical emergencies, such as sudden cardiac arrest, are time critical, even where outcomes depend on multiple factors, including patient underlying condition and immediacy of advanced life-saving intervention. So, this is the inquiry report which we have sent the DMHO of East Khasi Hills to find the sequence of event in CHC Mawiong.
What about the absence of doctor there?
See, regarding the doctors, because right now in the, like already I mentioned in today's assembly question also in the house, that right now we are like in a tremendous shortage of doctors in our state. But nevertheless, there were actually 4 doctors posted at Mawiong CHC. Number 1 is Dr. Gromor Longdok. Number 2 is Dr. Amin Nongrim. A third one is Dr. Rahul CH Marak, and the 4th is Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru. But out of these 4, 2 are under PG leave for higher studies, and Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtru is transferred to Clariat CHC since May because of her medical condition. So, as you understand that there is only 1 doctor there, and for him also we have sent through and find out through the inquiry that he was there the whole day from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. attending OPD cases, as he is the only medical officer in charge of the CHC. He was available on call, and I already mentioned in the sequence of things which happened, the nurse, whatever she was doing, she was on call with the doctor, under the doctor guidance only. So we do understand, no doubt it is very unfortunate that at that particular moment doctor was not there, but all the necessary procedures were followed as the medical emergencies.
So, is there any day deployment of doctors?
We are working out, but not only mean like in CSC Mawiong, but with other areas also, because like I already mentioned, because we are really in short of doctors in many PACs and CSCs. So definitely we are working, and then I would like through the media, I like to inform that we have got the sanction from finance to recruit another 150 doctors on contractual basis. So very soon we are conducting the recruitment.